Ayan guys, no, may problema tayo sa side obstacle detection sensor and the module. No communication with the side obstacle module. So ito yung nakita natin guys, no. Ayan, putol yan guys, may putol yan. Ayan, putol, oh. Harness yan guys, putol. So ito yung side obstacle module, left side. So yeah, no communication. So putol yan. Sa kabila naman wala naman putol dito guys, okay lang yan, kompleto naman yan. Okay, so palitan ko muna to ng harness. Ito, palitan ko to, ito buo yan, palitan ko yan. Okay, yup, okay naman. Yun lang yung nakita ko guys, no, putol, iyo.